was in the ABC. This was just a week ago. A story about the ACM, is the Australian Community Media. It's a smaller media organisation, especially in regional Australia. The story from the ABC said that these staff members are concerned about the way that AI is being used. And it went on to say, this paragraph here I highlighted, it said, from one of the managers, a journalist caught it and did the fact checking, but had they not, it obviously would have been a disaster. And I was thinking, but isn't that a journo's job? Right? Isn't that your job as a journo? Whatever you get, whether it's from a human that you interview, whether it's some article that you read on the internet, or whether it's AI, your job is to do the fact checking and to make sure that it's not a disaster and people don't get wrongly accused, as happened in this case. So again, the problem in this case is not that the AI got it wrong, it's that the journo and the journo's boss didn't realize that the AI could have got it wrong. Because why is this newsworthy? We should know that AI is going to hallucinate, is the term they use, is going to make up stuff because it's getting data from what people have written. And some of the data is going to be wrong. And some of the ways it puts it together are wrong. So I think that we should always be educating our people. And a big part of our role is education. It's not just the protection part, it's the education part. So